One day I'm gonna feel like doing some hair. But until then, y'all gonna see all kind of different hairstyles. So, hey, I just, however I'm feeling for that day, that's what I do. But listen, I was thinking today, I have not worked a 9-to-5 in, 13 years. Last month made 13 years since I worked a 9-to-5. And so why have I not worked a 9-to-5, right? Why have I not worked a 9-to-5? So let's see. In 2007, by September of that year, I think I sold over, I want to say it was $3 to $4 million in real estate. I had made over $89,000. And a competing builder walked into my sales office and tried to offer me a job because he said I was, one of the top agents for my builder, and the builder was going to go out of business. So he kind of was giving me some insight, right? But I would have had to walk away from $40,000 worth of commissions because I still had closings on the table from September to December. And I wasn't willing to walk away from those commissions. And I kind of didn't really believe them, right? So I'm going to share with you over the next couple videos why I'm so passionate about working for myself and how I got here.